Hi and welcome to Italiano Chiaro. I'm Sarah and in today's video we will learn 5 common Italian verbs that use prepositions. These verbs are used every day and with the right preposition your Italian will sound much more natural. Let's begin. Pensare a. Penso a mia nonna ogni giorno. I think about my grandmother every day. In Italian, when you think about someone or something, you say pensare a plus the person or the thing. For example, penso a te. I think about you. Penso al futuro. I think about the future. Pensare di. Sto pensando di cambiare lavoro. I'm thinking about changing jobs. Use pensare di when you're thinking of doing something. So, pensare di plus verb, to have an idea or an intention. Penso di partire domani. I'm thinking of leaving tomorrow. Parlare di, parlare con. Parlo di musica con i miei amici. I talk about music with my friends. In Italian, parlare di is used for the topic. Parlo di scuola, di lavoro, di sport. I talk about school, work, sports. Parlare con is used for the person you speak with. Parlo con mia sorella. I talk to my sister. Andare a, andare in, andare da. Vado a scuola. I go to school. Vado a fare sport. I go to do sports. Vado in Italia. I go to Italy. Vado dal medico. I go to the doctor. Here is how to choose the preposition with andare. A is used for cities, general places and verbs. For example, vado a Roma. I go to Rome. Vado a casa. I go home. Vado a dormire. I go to sleep. In is used for countries, regions, big islands, means of transport, and feminine places. For example, vado in Italia. I go to Italy. Vado in Sicilia. I go to Sicily. Vado in macchina. I go by car. Vado in farmacia. I go to the pharmacy. Da is used when you go to a person. Vado dal medico. I go to the doctor. Vado dalla nonna. I go to grandma's. Chiedere a. Chiedere di. Chiedo un favore a Marco. I will ask Marco for a favor. Marco mi chiede di aiutarlo. Marco is asking me to help him. So in Italian, chiedere a plus person, it refers to who you asking. Chiedo a Lucia una penna. I will ask Lucia for a pen. Chiedere di plus the verb is used when asking to do something. Chiedo di uscire prima. I'm asking to leave early. Avere bisogno di. Ho bisogno di aiuto. I need help. Ho bisogno di dormire. I need to sleep. The verb avere bisogno always takes di. Hai bisogno di qualcosa? Do you need anything? These 5 verbs are very common in everyday Italian, and now you know how to use them with the right prepositions. If this video helped you, subscribe to the channel, like and share it with other Italian learners. Thanks for watching. I'm Sarah and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!